Hey guys, DIY guy here, working on a Cadillac Escalade. Working on this Cadillac Escalade. I believe this is the 6.2 liter, and we are going to be doing a tune-up on it. The first thing we got to do here is pull this out. Put this over here. I'm gonna start on this side because it's the hardest to do. So we're gonna remove the coil, the wire, and the plug, and then I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna skip all the way to that back one because that back one's gonna be hard to do. Let's get this one off. Okay, 10 mil, and right here. Oh, so many wires are exposed. That's bad. Pop you out. We're going to remove this harness right here, just like that. Pull you down, and then I'm gonna twist and pull. Might not even be worth pulling this out. There we go. It's our old one. Bad boy's out. We're gonna start by just, there we go. You may have to use these. Grab them on there, twist and pull. Remove this heat shield. This is essential to keep this. Now we gotta get that spark plug out. Okay. Using a spark plug socket, which is a 5/8, I believe. Get it in here. And just like that. I think it should be able to twist by hand now. And there we go. All right. It's your new AC Delco plug right here. Don't gap these. You're not supposed to gap them. If you want to look at the two, I think the plugs might have been replaced before, but the wires haven't. Okay, and another thing to remember is the ignition coil style. These trucks can have two of them. Most of them should have the round style. Depends on the year. I'll put that in the description, but round style. Make sure you get these correct. Don't mix those up. Let's get this new one on. 100% sure if I showed you guys how to do it. So first things first, get your new coil. I mean your new spark plug wire. Get yourself some dielectric grease. I'm using a cotton swab Q-tip. I'm sorry. Get this in here and just twirl it. Nice little coating, nothing crazy. So in here. It's falling apart, that's all. I'm using it on all of them. Now, it's very important that you get your full heat shield. Slide it in. Now you're good to go.
So you ain't do that yet?
What?
You doing ignition core?
You have a kid that doesn't count?
I don't know.
Oh.
I know this Rappy's so young he didn't have kids back then, you know what I'm saying? He was 18 and shit. You ain't have no kids.
Fuck that. I'm about to put the what's the name on this.
That's a big V8, huh?
Believe it or not, no. And I
got 4 over here. Let me get this out.
This one right here.
The easy one?
Alright, you gotta start somewhere.
Start from the back.
Once again, let me work, old man. You just watch. I ain't tell you to come here. You said you was coming
in the area. That's damn thing.
Heard the thing snap.
You snap this shit.
No, I said heard it snap. That's good. It's a 6 point. There you go.
6.2.
6.2, yeah.
That's a lot of fucking engine.
There you go.
It's a lot
All the
of
way
weight.
in.
So they don't make them heavy. Recalibrate my camera. I said, what you gonna recalibrate? You taking it off, putting it back in the same spot so it's off an inch. Who cares?
I was about to say, my
I said, there you go. I'm like, no shit, Delon. I'm on Disney. You going to be here for 2 hours and the ride lasts 2 minutes. And you like, this is the worst park I've been to in my life, or it's something you have to do. That was fun, wasn't it?
There you go. If you want to put the wire loom in, like that, push it in. There you go. Heard that? Give it a nice little tug, it won't move. There you go. That's all the way in. Then you get your coil and start it right here. And you want to hear this thing too. Not only that, make sure none of these wires are actually touching the exhaust manifold either. But let's get this in here. Let's hear these clicks. Let's go back multiple. There you go. It's about 3 click sounds. Just like that. Okay, we're on this side now. As you can see, it's so much more space on this side. So, and the spark plugs face this way. So, it should be easier to get to all of them. Let's replace everything. Let's get on it. Last thing to think about is, due to how far away I am from the spark plug, if you're not 100% sure, if you're second guessing yourself if you didn't torque it right, you can pretty much get a torque wrench on all of these. Torque it to 15 foot-pounds. And that's how you know for certain if you're concerned if you didn't tighten it down enough, use a torque wrench. There we go. And right here.